OTB on the beat. Alright, only way to sign this shit. Oh, look on. Chill. Oh. Wow. Oh.
So today I'll be showing you how to do an oil change on a 2008 Dodge Avenger. To do this, you'll need 5W20 oil, an oil filter. Tools you will need will be a oil filter wrench, a 3/4 inch wrench, a 13mm wrench, and for safety you'll need a pair of eye protection and gloves. Okay, now I guess I gotta get under the hood. First, I'll be taking the drain plug out of the oil pan with this 13mm inch wrench and a hammer. There we go. Beauty.
Put the hammer down.
Oh, put the hammer down. Taking the drain plug out of the oil pan here. Here she blows. She's about to come out. Oh, beautiful. All right, now that we've let all the oil drain out of the oil pan, we're gonna take this oil filter off here. Now we're gonna grab our 3/4 inch wrench. It's loose. So now that we've loosened it, guess not, we haven't loosened it enough. Now that we've loosened the oil filter, we're just gonna spin that off there. Woo! It's raining oil. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So when you take the oil filter off, you're gonna make sure that the gasket came off with the oil filter. So when you put the new one on, there's not two on there. Boom! Okay, pro tip here. You're gonna wanna get some oil. Get a close up right from here. You're gonna wanna put some oil around the gasket right here, you know, like so. This is so that it spins on easier. First, we're gonna wanna clean everything we took off here before putting the new stuff back on. Why is this still here? Okay. Did I get everything good, do you think? I think I done did good here. Alrighty. So we're gonna want our 13mm wrench here again. Screw this bolt back in.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. So now that we've got that on, we are going to put on the new oil filter. Okay, so when it makes contact with the engine block, after that you're going to want to do a 3/4 turn. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Alright, so now we've got everything cleaned up and tight down here. So now we're going to put the oil in the engine. So now we're going to put oil in the engine, and if you don't know what oil to use, it usually says it in the car manual or on your oil cap.
Whoops, hold it. Okay, now go.
Hold it. Go. So now we're going to put the oil into the engine. Okay, so this 2.7 liter V6 engine takes 5.5 quarts, but you should check your manual to see how much your car takes. Now we're gonna put the cap back on. Wow.
Say what you're doing.
So I just started the car, and now we're gonna check if everything's still A-okay. If you know what I mean. looks good. Okay, so we just shut the engine off, and now we're gonna wait a couple minutes so the oil can settle back in the pan, and then we're gonna check the oil. Okay, so now we're gonna pull off the dipstick and check the oil. Alrighty. We are in the safe zone. We're in the safe zone, people. We're in the safe zone. Make sure when you're done with your oil change, you gotta clean up, because a clean shop is a safe shop.